In this video, we're going to talk about Austin Hardware's innovative door grabber, the DHGRB series. Tom, what is this part?
Oh, thanks, Ryan. So our door grabbers are designed to be used with heavy doors where you want to make sure they're securely held in the open position. Some customers that would be using these are fire truck manufacturers, ambulance manufacturers, specialty trailer where you have van entry doors, as well as shuttle bus manufacturers. Where you'll probably wind up seeing this part used most often is on the rear doors of ambulances, where you want to make sure for patient loading and unloading, those rear heavy doors can't hit an EMT or a patient.
What are some of the features of this part?
Door grabbers have been around for decades. So what we did is we advanced the concept through our own design. Actually, I've got the door grabbers here. Here's an example of one. This is our 3-inch DHGRB grabber. There's a male part with a loop and then a female receptacle part. So two components to this particular part. What our design features, I'll highlight a couple things here for you. The first thing is we utilize a stainless steel polished loop. This is the major wear surface of the part. So by using stainless steel polished, we've ensured longevity of the part. We also have a triple chrome-plated Zamac base material that again helps with the longevity of the part. Currently, we offer 3 sizes as standards, the 3-inch that you see here. We also have a 4.5-inch as well as a 6-inch. And then if customers want to angle that loop, we can do that, or they can request special sizes. We're able to do that as well. The final thing that we've done with the part is when you look at it, you'll notice that they're both round. The old generations of this part, one was oblong and one was round, which might not sound like a big deal, but going round on both halves really improves the aesthetics for the end customer.
How about installation?
Installation, that's actually one of probably the most tremendous benefit of our product. So what we did is fairly simple. You'll see here that we slotted the install holes on both halves of the part. And what that does for the customers, it allows them some maneuverability when they're installing the door to be able to move it this way or this way. So as they're installing the door, making their final adjustments, they're able to use these slots to help them set the part exactly where it needs to be. Prior to our slotted design, we actually had some customers who were drilling holes for their door grabbers post-paint. And with our new slotted design, what they're able to do now is pre-punch holes in their panels, go through the paint process, do the door install, and then install our door grabbers with the adjustability that we're giving them. So it helps eliminate a potential corrosion point where they're not drilling holes post-paint.
Thanks, Tom. For more information, visit our website, austinhardware.com.
Thanks, Ryan.